Welcome to physics class. Today we will do questions set 5 page number 216. First question. Judge the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel. A part 1 ohm and 10 raised to power 6 ohm. We have to calculate Rp. So 1 upon Rp is 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to power 6. It will be its LCM is 10 to power 6. It will be 10 to power 6 plus 1. Now Rp can be calculated as 10 to power 6 upon 10 raised to power 6 plus 1 in turn, which is equal to approximate 1 ohm. So Rp is 1 ohm for A part. B part, now we have to calculate Rp for 3 resistors, 1 ohm, 10 raised to power 3 ohm and 10 raised to power 6 ohm. All these resistors are connected in parallel. Now in the B part, Rp can be calculated as 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to power 3 plus 1 upon 10 raised to power 6. Now its LCM is 10 raised to power 6 and it can be calculated as 10 to power 6 for this, 10 to power 3 for this, 10 sorry, simple 1. Now it can be written as now we can calculate Rp, which is approximately equal to 0.9, approximately 1 ohm. Second question, an electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohm and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much current as all three appliances, and what is the current through it? Let us calculate. In this question, R1 resistance of electric lamp, which is 100 ohm. Then R2 resistance of toaster, which is 50 ohm. R3 resistance of water filter, which is in turn 500 ohm. Let us calculate Rp when they are connected in parallel combination. 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 500. Its LCM, it will be 500. Now we have to calculate for this. It is 5 for 50, it will be 10, 500, 1, 16 upon 500. Rp will be written as 500 upon 16. When we calculate it, answer will be 31.25 ohm. Resistance of electric iron 31.25 ohm. Potential difference V, that is equal to 220 volt. From Ohm's law, V equal to I R. We have to calculate current. So I is equal to V upon R. Let us fill the value. V 220 and R is 31.25. It will be when we calculate this, answer will be 7.04 ampere. Question 3. What are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel with the battery instead of connecting them in series? Electrical devices are connected in parallel with the battery instead of in series. It is advantageous to provide same voltage across each appliance, and moreover any appliance may be switched on or off without interference of the other. In addition to the above, in parallel circuit, if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defects, then all other appliances keep working normally. In parallel circuits, each electrical appliance gets the same voltage as that of the battery, due to which all the appliances work properly. Question 4. How can three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of A part 4 ohm? First of all, we will connect R1 3 ohm, R2 6 ohm in parallel. We have to calculate Rp, then we will fill value here. And next R3 will be in series with that combination. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel combination. So Rp can be calculated as 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Let us fill the value. R1 3, R2 6. Now LCM is 6. 3 to the 6. 6 1 the 6. It is 3 upon 6. So Rp will be 6 upon 3 in turn, which is 2 ohm. Means Rp is 2 ohm. Rp and R3 are in series combination. So Rs can be calculated as Rp plus R3. Rp is 2. R3 is 2. So equivalent resistance will be 4 ohm. Question 4, B part. Now the equivalent resistance will be 1 ohm. If we connect R1, R2 and R3 in the parallel combination, then Rp can be calculated as 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. R1 is 2, R2 3, R3 6. Its LCM is 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. It will be 6 upon 6. So Rp is in turn 1 ohm. This is desired answer. Question number 5. What is highest, second part, lowest total resistance that can be secured by combination of 4 coils of resistance 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. As we know, highest resistance of combination will be in series. So in A part, we will connect them in series, and lower resistance can be calculated when all the resistance are connected in parallel combination. So let us solve it. A part, highest total resistance will be when resistances are connected in series. So Rs is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. R1 is 4, R2 is 8, R3 is 12 and R4 is 24. When we add them, answer is 48 ohm. B part, lowest total resistance will be when they are connected in parallel. So Rp can be calculated as 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24. LCM will be 24. It will be 6, 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. When we add them, it will be 12 upon 24. RP can be calculated as 24 upon 12 in turn, which is 2 ohm. This is lowest resistance.